Hello friends, welcome to Cook to Nourish. Today I'm going to show you how to make fresh homemade ginger garlic paste. Now this is so important because if you buy the store bought, from Indian stores, the ginger garlic paste that has sodium benzoate or preservative in it. Therefore, it's so important to make it at home, and it's so easy to make it at home. So I have fresh ginger here. I use organic ginger and then fresh garlic cloves. So basically you just need equal quantity of each, and you peel the ginger and then roughly chop it. As you can see, I have about 15 garlic cloves, which are large in size, and then I kind of eyeballed and got approximately the same quantity of ginger. You can also weigh them and make sure that they're exactly same quantity, but it doesn't have to be that precise. Now I use my Preeti food processor small jar to make this paste, so that it helps me grind into a fine paste without any water. So we're not going to add any water, but we add olive oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, about 2 tablespoons, and that's it. That's all you need, and you process it for about 30 to 60 seconds and you get this fine paste. If you are having trouble, you can add a little bit more olive oil, but basically you should get a fine paste like this just in under 1 minute. See how beautiful, and this stays fresh in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks, because it has the olive oil in it. And what I do is I make small batches like this, and it lasts me for about 2 weeks. It's just absolutely perfect. I can avoid all that preservative laden ginger garlic paste that you find in the Indian grocery store. So I hope you will also make your own. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.